for joining us in such a special occasion.
We have been making your dreams come true for 20 years, discovering new worlds, landscapes and shows, offering endless amounts of emotions and fun.
Please, a big applause for Mr. Sebastian Vettel.
How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Fine. Come here. Here's your microphone. Thank you for sharing your time, especially now. I think you're focused 100% the weekend. No?
Yes. Not yet.
Okay.
That's why I'm here. But
Okay. In your opinion, theme parks can really transmit to the Formula One fans a close experience to the sensation of Formula One world?
I think so. I think yes. I think if you like roller coasters and if you like speed, then
I like
speed. Then it's definitely the right thing. And obviously, not everyone, unfortunately, has the opportunity to drive a Ferrari, and especially not everyone has the opportunity to drive a Formula One car.
That is no bad. But
I think
it's
it's a great chance to give the emotion and the feeling to the people with some of the rides. As I understand, there will be one exciting ride which accelerates very quick and launches up to more than 100 meters. So it should be quite exciting.
Yeah.
It's size S, so it's very.
May you sign?
Yeah.
It's a special gift. Not for me. Thank you very much. I think this is a top gift for the annual PortAventura Foundation charity dinner. Thank you very much, Mr. Vettel. Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Wonderful. And now let's see this element closer. This is a special year because it's the year when the agreement between Ferrari and PortAventura was signed. And we have the brick. There is a moment for a photo. This is a moment. Bajar las manos. Don't, please, the photographers. ¿Qué te pasa? Cement. Is normal, no? No, this one, bons fonaments sempre és important. Perfecte. Molt bé. Now, right. Thank you very much. Now, this is a moment for a photo right there, please, if you can. Thank you very much. Can you take the seat? Gràcies a vostè. Gràcies, president.